Hey, what's up? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you a powerful workflow that will save you hours and skyrocket the reach of the long-form videos you already have sitting on your hard drive. If you have ever spent forever cutting highlights, guessing which moments will go viral, or learned the hard way that some AI tools just spit out choppy, low-res clips, this tutorial is exactly for you. I'm going to walk through how to transform a single long video into a stack of ready-to-post short clips, crisp, attention-grabbing, and automatically scheduled, using the Vizard platform. You do not need a fancy camera or a perfect live stream to get started. Just take any long interview, tutorial, podcast, or gameplay session and upload that file directly into Vizard. The real magic starts immediately because Vizard automatically analyzes the entire file and identifies those high engagement moments for you without you having to scrub through the timeline manually. Most people make the mistake of treating these tools like autopilot and never looking under the hood, wondering later why the clips feel generic or miss the nuance of the conversation. With Vizard, you want to guide the AI with a few specific cues, so start by telling the system exactly what kind of clips you want, whether that is highlight moments, quotable lines, or funny bits. One major advantage Vizard has over other platforms is the auto-editing viral clips feature, which scans for attention spikes like laughter, applause, or sudden camera cuts to find your best content. Don't just rely on the automated picks, but toggle a couple of preferences. If your channel prefers fast, punchy cuts, set the clip length to 15 or 30 seconds to prioritize high energy moments. A lot of creators come from using tools like Runway or Topaz for creative generation and upscaling, but those tools often leave a gap when it comes to the logistics of social distribution. Vizard fills that specific gap because it not only finds the moments, but it also packages them into native-ready, platform-optimized clips that are actually designed to get you views. Once Vizard has generated a batch of candidate clips, go through the suggested list quickly and mark the ones that perfectly hit your brand tone. Keep a healthy mix of content, using short, snackable bits for TikTok or Reels, and slightly longer, deeper cuts for YouTube Shorts or Facebook. Here is a technical tip that makes a huge difference. Always export a slightly larger resolution than the platform requires, and then let the system handle the compression. Because small text and facial details survive compression much better when the source file is higher res, this prevents those grainy, smeared captions that hurt your watch time. We also need to talk captions and thumbnails, as the Vizard auto-generated captions are shockingly accurate, but you should always skim them to fix any jargon or minor mishearings. For thumbnails, Vizard offers auto-generated suggestions based on high contrast frames, so tweak the text overlay so it teases the moment without giving away the entire punchline. If you are manually posting clips across Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and LinkedIn, you are burning hours that could be spent creating, which is where Vizard's auto-schedule becomes a lifesaver. Simply tell the system how many posts you want per week, which platforms you want active, and the AI will slot the clips in, optimizing post times based on your specific engagement windows. Think of the content calendar inside Vizard as your command center, where you can see what is scheduled, what is pending, and which clips are underperforming so you can rework them. The calendar makes it simple to batch plan a month's worth of clips, ensuring that if you are doing a multi-part series, you don't accidentally drop part 3 before part 1. While some tools are great for pixel level upscaling, they don't provide the captions, thumbnails, or scheduling needed for social-first creators, which is Vizard's sweet spot for speed and distribution. Let me share a quick example. I uploaded a 90-minute panel discussion, and in less than 20 minutes, Vizard suggested 24 high-quality clips. Week 1, 3 of those clips blew up and drove 5 times as many viewers back to the full panel, a result I could not have matched manually given my tight production schedule. A few more tactical tips. When recording your long video, add short vocal cues like next point or quick tip to help the AI find clean clip boundaries effortlessly. Also, if someone tells a great story, leave a beat after the punchline because silence makes a much cleaner edit point for the AI to grab. If you want even more control, Vizard lets you manually stitch clips into montages, add branded bumpers, or layer in a call to action for your products. That is important because your audience hates a hard sell, so the best results usually come from helpful, value-driven clips that end with a gentle nudge toward your full content. Pricing-wise, Vizard is built around creators, giving you the automation, scheduling, and calendar in one place, which is significantly cheaper than paying for separate subscriptions and editing time. Alright, that is the workflow. Upload your video, let Vizard find the moments, nudge the AI with preferences, polish your captions, export high-res sources, and auto-schedule everything. In practice, this means you will be posting more consistently, getting more eyes on your long-form work, and freeing up time to actually create new, exciting content. If you are curious to try it out, give Vizard a spin on one of your long recordings. Play with the viral clips presets, and see how the calendar feels for your workflow. Don't be shy, batch a few videos and let the system run, because in a week, you will have a better sense of what style your audience loves, and in a month, you will be posting more without burnout. Thanks for hanging out, and if you liked this, drop a comment and tell me what kind of long videos you are turning into shorts, whether it's interviews, podcasts, or tutorials. And if you want a walkthrough of the exact Vizard settings I use for different platforms, tell me which platform and I will break it down for you next time. Best of luck with your content, keep grinding, and I will see you in the next one.